Rolling. Action.
We are going deeper into finance career, entrepreneurship, and lots of leadership wisdom. 1 year ago, we started with something which was very small step. We were curious, we had less budgets. We started with a simple mission and purpose to help and spread the finance and leadership capability. 1 year down the line, it is something beyond which we had not imagined it earlier. Today, Pursuit of Finance and Leadership, it's a community of over 60,000 subscribers. We have had over 1.5 million views, so many interesting conversations, so many inspiring thoughts from more than 30 guests of ours. Together, we have created much more than the podcast. We created a platform together, and none of this was possible without you, our guests, our viewers, and our supporters. Now, let's go through the insights that changed us.
Building your network is very important. And it starts from early stage, right? When you're in college, every job that you pass through, you have to look at it as how do I maximize my influence there?
Tell us कैसे आप relevant रहे in 40 years in terms of ensuring कि आप 5x, 10x उतना achieve हो. So how you kept your mindset and everything पूरा relevant for the industry?
My purpose in life is to make leaders. So that's the mindset. The other one thing is that often we take it mindset is of practice makes people perfect. I have a problem with that statement.
Huh?
Because
Seriously?
imperfect practice makes a person perfectly imperfect. So therefore you have to make sure first that what they are practicing is good.
Someone said it many years ago. A straight line is boring. What makes anything interesting is an up and a down and an up again.
आजकल हम लोग सबको चाहिए fast returns. I think for you to share this point, ना Srini, कि thinking about a long term and not like कि हर 6 महीने में क्या हो रहा है. I think that's a very important point because otherwise it creates a lot of discontent.
आप क्या risk ले रहे हो? You're taking a risk on your own self. अगर if you have the confidence कि आप अच्छे हो किसी भी चीज में, nobody is good at everything. अगर आपको वो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है, अगर आपको बिल्ड कर सकते हो, you will do well. Everybody is not going to become a CEO and a CFO. Doesn't matter. Just becoming a CEO or CFO doesn't make you successful. Enjoying what you do, building on those experiences, the opportunity in front of you is the best opportunity you have. If you don't make the most out of it, फिर आप क्या करोगे?
That is so true.
It's the how of the internship. Whatever you choose to do, are you getting better when you land into your roles? There is this funny ad that they say I'm like a math professor. I go calculus, advanced calculus, differential calculus. Finally, in my job, I do Excel sheet. It's like that. So when we actually land up in our jobs, the technical aspect of our jobs is only so much. The real aspect of our job is how we approach it, create value, challenge status quo, come up with fresh ideas, do things more differently, efficiently. I would say that whatever you do it with applying yourself fully. And every job you look at it with a perspective that I want to change. When I walk out of this, people should remember me for having done this.
If I just remind you back, what has really stuck with you most even till now?
What has remained with me is meritocracy. You can't get into the company unless you've deserved it. You can't move up in the company unless you deserve it.
Exactly.
So the meritocracy is one great thing. The second one I learned from my bosses that it is sometimes easier to seek forgiveness than to seek permission. Always, if anything was done in good faith, the bosses always come to your rescue if it does not work out. So that was yet another thing. But the values, I agree, is the most important.
अनीता, आपको अगर हम लोग को एडवाइस करना है कि 2025 and beyond अच्छा करियर बनाना है, what would be like your 2 points or 2 skills which someone should build?
मेरे हिसाब से 2 चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है करियर के लिए. एक तो आप डिसाइड कीजिए आपको हंगर है कि डिजायर है. उन दोनों में फर्क है. Because for hunger, you will do what it takes to get you there. You will make the sacrifices that are needed to get you there. A desire is very passive. It is like, मुझे चाहिए. Just because you want it, it's not going to come to you.
How do you align the vision, right? Entire team का कि yes, transform करना है, आगे बढ़ना है. वो आपने कैसे किया?
I have created a theory of, it's a boat theory. If you see the Kerala boat, it's a race which happens every year, okay? Now, if the people who are driving the boat are not in sync, they will lose. The other thing is, if they are not going in the same speed, they will lose. And therefore, in every email of mine, this boat I show, which is one VIP. So all of us need to have the same vision, same goal, and work with the same speed for us to succeed.
Umesh, Unilever International Business को conceptualize करके 2019 you have taken it $1 billion plus organization. So how do you create a big vision?
I would like to tell one story which is I think so good. It was told my boss in early years. He says somebody was going in Rome and there were a lot of 4-5 guys, okay, sitting and just doing the same thing, cutting stone.
Yeah.
He asked the first guy, what are you doing? I'm just cutting stone. The second guy, he went to and say, hey, I am actually creating a nice pillar. Yeah. The third guy, he says, no, I am actually creating a palace.
Yes.
Yeah. And the fourth guy, he said, I am creating Rome. This story actually embedded in me and said, look, okay, we need to really convince our teams, okay, look, okay, you guys are not delivering 10 to 12% growth, but you are creating Rome.
For me, conquering the ghosts in my own mind is the biggest challenge. Because all of us have ghosts in our mind. So you have to live in the present, overcoming your own ghosts. And you have to live in the present thinking that this is the most important thing for today. Like Rafael Nadal says, when I'm playing a particular point, I don't think about the match, I don't think about my career, I don't think about my family. I'm thinking this is the life and death point. This is the present moment.
How did you thrive in such a diverse environment?
In any new environment is you've got to recognize the fact that you don't know as much as the others do, spend years and years in the business. So it's very easy to come in and start advising just because you believe you have achieved something, but you don't know the context of their business, their situation, and what they have gone through.
Yeah.
So I take a lot of time to really understand, appreciate, and go deep into a business. And I think that's one thing that I would recommend to all people who come and tell me, what should I do next? I'm like, first things first, just there's so much knowledge to be had. There's so many incredible people that you come across throughout your work journey. You have to learn from them, imbibe, and then you reach a point where you can have a good discussion, debate, and even probably drive decisions in ways where they would appreciate the experience you get. But don't put the cart before the horse by going in day one and saying, I know everything about finance, I'm going to teach you. I'd like to be taught first and then maybe I can start adding that.
Time management is one critical thing that, you know, अपने कहने के लिए सब लोग कहते हैं time is money. पर मैं सबको पूछता अच्छा हिसाब बताओ time का कितना time का लगा अगर तुम्हारा if it is money you will keeping account of money ना.
आप हमेशा अपना शेड्यूल करते थे सर?
Yes, every day. I think that's very important.
Believe in yourself and the world will believe in you.
So what's your favorite lesson so far? We started with just a mic, but what grows into a moment from students in finance to CFOs at leading firms? Your feedback, your support, comments, direct messages kept us going. You didn't just show up. You shared with us thoughts, ideas, sparks, conversations, and lots of great wisdom. And you reminded us, this is not the journey about you and me, it's a journey about us. Behind every episode, there were moments of doubts, there were reshoots, but then there were unexpected laughters. Because that's what real stories are. They are messy, they are honest, and they are beautifully human. Our leaders will be sharing untold stories from boardroom to shop floors. So whether you have watched one episode or 30th, whether you are a student or a founder or a CEO, thank you. This is not just a podcast, it's a pursuit. Let's keep on growing, learning, and leading together. Subscribe to our channel, Pursuit of Financial Leadership, and follow us on Instagram at CA Nidhi Jain.